All right, we're gonna play the Don't Be the Sucker challenge. So the whole goal is we shoot this and we pop as many balloons as possible. Whichever loser pops the least amount of balloons gets blasted by the 25 shot. Yeah.
Too old to get shot.
Oh, maybe some rules just in case. Got to stay inside the green box, and the goal is to pop as many balloons as possible. That's pretty much the rules. And whoever doesn't get the most balloons popped, they get their balloons popped. And so just to clarify, this is a custom 25-shot Nerf Blaster. All right, first up is Seth. Seth, welcome to the stage. How we feeling? What are you thinking?
Not gonna lie, I wanted the single hand wield, but this is a lot of machine.
It is a lot of machine.
It is more than I was prepared for.
Okay. Do you think the laser dots will actually help you?
Oh, I feel like I know which one of those laser dots to trust.
Yeah. So you're gonna aim high, low? I'm just trying to get all the secrets early.
This will undoubtedly be a lesson in what not to do. Are you ready for a time-honored technique?
I am.
Well,
I am.
then.
Oh, we're gonna do sideways? Oh no. Oh. Okay. Okay. So we learned some things. Don't go first.
Indeed.
Number two, should we count extra points for how many darts stuck in the board?
We should count them in the event of a tie.
In the event of a tie. Tiebreaker.
All right, so how many balloons did we pop? Oh, actually, well, there's one up there too. I didn't see that one.
5?
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3,
5. Yes, it appears to just be 5.
5. All right. All right, so how you feeling about your 5? You feeling confident?
Okay. I feel like we all learned a lot.
Yeah.
There are many lessons yet to be learned.
Yeah.
This is a long way of saying it could have gone better.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm wide.
Try sideways.
Yeah, try sideways. That worked out real good. All right, Turner. It's all you, boo.
Oh.
In that box, yeah.
All right. Thing is heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, is he gonna aim high?
Y'all ready to get beat?
No. I don't want to get beat.
Well, too bad.
Oh.
I feel like that's more than 5.
All right, let's go do some counting.
7.
Is it 7?
Yeah, 7, because there's 13 left. I didn't stick as many in the
On the board.
as you did.
Well, I feel good about that, really. Not gonna lie.
But I don't want to get shot by it. You see what's happening to it? I don't want to get shot by it.
Scooting to the back of the square.
Yeah. Get a little wider pattern, maybe? Maybe. What y'all didn't know is you got to adjust the lasers.
Oh.
Aw.
3, 2, 1. Boom! Yeah!
That's just not right.
Woo! Oh yeah! And another one. So do we even want to count? Y'all just want to call it? I mean, I guess how many balloons are left?
Probably 6
1, 2,
or
3, 4,
7
5,
you got.
6, 7, 8. So that means what? 12.
12?
I mean, who can be sure, really?
Okay. So now the exciting part is we get to shoot Seth, and we don't have to get shot.
Yeah.
Are you ready to get blasted?
Get my Neo ready.
You want to cover your biscuits? Or are you good?
My biscuits are protected.
Here we go. I'm going to kind of aim for the middle. I hope not to catch too many up your
I gave
nose.
you plenty of middle to work with.
Okay, here we go. Oh man, this is exciting. Isn't this exciting? We get to blast him right in the biscuits with 25-shot Nerf Blaster. Right in the biscuits, everybody. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Woo! It looks like it got you pretty good.
It's yeah, from about here to about here in many, many places.
All right, what's next? Who should we shoot with what?
Oh, I'm good.
I think it's him.